Hi everyone, so today's update is not about Shipaton itself, but this hackathon that I won today, which is called the IndeHub Hackathon, and it was an exciting journey. I barely slept yesterday after I created the presentation, and I was kind of stressed out, not because the presentation I made was not up to the level that I wanted it to be. So I would just share my presentation on which I think was good enough. So there was one thing. So there are two things that one I thought I deserved to win. The second was there was another team that had a very similar app to mine, and feature wise they were pretty good, especially on the workout part, because for the last past week I have not touched the workout part. I was especially working on the calories part. So I messaged my close friends that I'm now already giving up. And then half an hour later, I was like, I came all the way from Delhi to Bangalore for on a 2.5 hours flight, and then took a cab for 1.5 hours from Bangalore airport to Bangalore. I'm not going to give up so easily, so I gathered all the courage. I had some good food, and I have started this new system of going to the bathroom just before my talk, put my AirPods on, and then listen to Lose Yourself by Eminem. And there's this line that success is my only option, failure is not. So I just listened till that part, and then I would just take out my AirPods and then just go and straight give a pretty decent presentation, if I have to be humble. I think I had the audience in the palm of my hands, if that's how I have to put it that way. I started out pretty well. I had practiced well, but by the middle, I was losing a bit of grip. By the end, it was good, but then when the questions came around, I was able to answer all of them pretty well. I wasn't nervous at all on the stage. So that was something that I was really proud of, and my presentation was good. I won't say it was Apple level, but it was good. And so I will just show you the presentation. So let's see what we have. So I start with my name, and then I have the worked with Apple, blah blah blah. Then a bit of my story of how I lost my weight, how much of weight that I lost, then a bit of this effect that I'm creating, a dynamic effect, or the liquid glass in my presentation as well. Then a bit of my icon composer, my views on how I'm using the foundation model, using the Zenther intelligence system, and then having different AI personas, using the planned workout mode and the fitness partner mode as well, and having my app outside the app itself, using widgets and app intents. And one thing I noticed, that my app was very very well designed. uh, I it is a thing that I would want to brag about, because when I look at my app, I can feel that this guy has put in the effort on the UI, especially trying to make it as beautiful as he can on the liquid class. So this was my presentation, a bit of the demos, the widgets, the alarm kit integration, and then showing the how I'm using the foundation model, even for getting the localized responses, a bit on how I am using the build in public, different feedback that I get, and what else we have. The future plans. The first is that I really want to have the calorie deficit graph with weight loss projections and logging workout to health kit with timer. So these are the big things that I want in my app. So it was a pretty decent project for 10 for a presentation of 10 minutes. I overshot my time by 30 seconds. I had to hurry up. So that's it on my side. I am happy. I don't know how to describe this feeling. I kind of knew I should win, and I did. So I feel it. I won't say it was unfair, because the other two teams that won had three members each, and I was a solo player. But what I would suggest that anybody who's listening to this video is that try to make your app pretty. It's like, just put even bit of effort to stand out, because as I have said again, a lot of the folks out there, I'm just not talking about the hackathon, but even on Twitter and what I see on their socials, They are vibe coding the app, and when you're vibe coding the app using a particular model, they all look the same, and not in a way that I can say that you should be proud of it. You can be proud of it. It isn't. It's not that I'm saying that it's bad. I have already shipped an app that looks like that in like 6 hours, and I'm not like regret it or I'm not proud of it. It's just that just putting a bit of efforts on top of your vibe coding, you can call it vibe designing or something, and just look at the top charting apps on how they have designed, so that their designers have already put in the work, so you can have a look on the app and understand how it feels when you use that app. So it should feel like a well crafted app, and that's the idea. And with that, I have I really do not know what to do next. I do not want to work on this app. I won't add any features at least in this weekend. Uh, I will refactor as much as I can because there's a lot of AI slop code. So that is the thing that I want to fix, and then I will start working on the Arisin app, the AI journaling app. And because this app is at a position that I can directly use so much of the components from this app in Arisin, like literally copy paste the code. So I don't want to do that. I really do not want to do that. So I will create shared components first that I can reuse, and I will open source them as well. Especially starting with the audio framework that is for the speech transcriber, this analyzer and transcriber in iOS 26, and backport it for iOS 18 using the old NS speech recognizer. So I hope you look forward to my work. A lot of work to do. I am very sleepy, but I have this urge, or I do not know how to put this in words. I just want to make apps, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do for the next few months. Have a good day and see you.